Welcome to Belly Breath, to this meditation for grounding into your inner calm. Find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes and allow your breath to deepen. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs with fresh air. Let your belly rise gently with each breath. Exhale softly, feeling any tension you've been carrying melt away. With each inhale, imagine drawing in warmth from the earth, like sunlight soaking into the roots of a tree. With each exhale, feel that warmth expand within you, spreading peace through your body. Now envision yourself standing at the edge of a vast, tranquil lake. The water is still, a perfect mirror, reflecting the soft, golden light of the setting sun. As you gaze at the surface, notice how the ripples of your thoughts begin to settle. The water grows calm and clear, just like your mind, as you let go of the distractions around you. Feel your feet connecting deeply with the earth beneath you. Grounding you like the roots of the ancient trees surrounding the lake. Your body is strong and steady, rooted in the present moment. Picture a gentle breeze beginning to move through the trees. It carries with it the scent of fresh pine and wildflowers. This breeze whispers to your spirit, reminding you of the vast open space within you. The space where peace always resides. With each breath, you begin to feel lighter. Imagine that with every inhale, you're pulling in the pure energy of the wind, breathing in its clarity. With every exhale, you release any heaviness, letting it dissolve into the cool breeze. Now imagine that from the center of your chest, a soft, glowing light begins to expand. It's warm and inviting. Like the soft glow of a lantern in the dark. This light radiates outward, filling your whole body with comfort and peace. As the light expands, it begins to form an orb around you, shimmering with colors of soft blues, greens, and golds. This orb protects and surrounds you, creating a peaceful bubble that shields you from any chaos or negativity. Within this bubble of light, affirm to yourself, I am open to stillness. I am open to stillness. I am open to stillness. Let this affirmation settle deep within you, knowing that peace is not just something you seek, but something you carry within. Feel the calmness in your chest, the stillness in your mind, and the unwavering presence of peace surrounding you. In this moment, you are exactly as you need to be. Calm, grounded, and centered. Take a few more moments here, breathing in the serenity of your inner lake. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your body. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. Carrying this newfound peace with you as you move through the day. Thank you for meditating with belly breath today. If you enjoyed this practice, please like, share, and subscribe for more peaceful sessions. May the peace you've cultivated today stay with you always.